everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrummy Quick Designs, and I'm super excited to tell you that the Cricut Infusible Ink items are now available at the Cricut shop, and there's a whole bunch of new patterns and colors, so I want to go over that with you real quick, plus give you an idea what you can make with this. Some of you have not seen this in action yet, and let's take a look. So this is a new type of heat transfer that you can put on various blanks that Cricut sells. They have to have a polyester-based coating on them, so they're special blanks. And then when you infuse the transfer sheets onto this, it becomes melded into the fabric or the coaster, and I'm going to talk about that here in a minute. So you can see here how they're stretching the material, and that means it's embedded in the material. Unlike like a regular iron-on that sits on top of the material, this gets embedded into it. So that's the difference with the transfer sheets. And let's take a look. So the transfer sheets come in rolls, okay, and they're in packages. Now you're going to have patterned ones and you're going to have solid color ones, and I believe there's like 38 patterns now, and 19 of them are new that came out just for Cricut right now. And then you have all these beautiful solid colors, so there's good for mixing and matching. And also they have the heat resistant tape. Some of you I know were looking for that. The heat resistant tape is great for when you want to make sure that your transfer material stays onto the top of your base product. So like when you do the coasters, you definitely need some heat transfer tape. So that's on there, and that allows you to use your Cricut Easy Press or your heat presses to be able to use this. Now there's a lot of different colors, patterns, look at all that. It's so beautiful. There's a bunch of different ones. You can just, I mean, that the sky's the limit, okay? So then there are the solid color ones, okay? So there's like, I think 19 different colors of the solid, so you'll be able to mix and match easily. And there's the Cricut Infusible Ink pens. So there's two different points. There's the 1.0 basics, and then there's a 0.4, which is a thin line, and so that's basic colors, and then they have neon colors. So those you can use to draw using your Cricut Explorer, Cricut Maker machines, and then even be able to color in and transfer that onto the objects. So let's talk about the blanks real quick. So the blanks are available at Cricut.com now as well, and it's a variety of materials. So you have tote bags. There's two different sizes. There's a medium and a large, and then there are some baby bodysuits. They're like baby onesies, and they come in 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, or 6 to 9 months. And then they also have men's crew neck t-shirts. They have women's V-neck t-shirts, and they also have youth t-shirts. And why would you need to use one of the Cricut blanks? Because they have a special polyester spandex blend to them that lets the infusible ink, once you heat it up, it transfers into this material. It's very important that you use a high polyester content blank to be able to get the infusible ink to work. And of course, the Cricut blanks have been optimized so you get the absolute best, beautiful colors and results. And you also have the option to do coasters. Yes, coasters. So these are round ceramic coasters. There's a pack, there's 4 in each pack. And then these are the square blanks, and they have a cork backing on them. And I wanted to show you guys this. Of course, you can use my promo code and my link to purchase. I appreciate that. And I'll put that in the description of the video, but I wanted to show you what can you make with this so you guys can really envision how you can use this. Okay, now that I've shown you that the Cricut Infusible Ink is available at Cricut.com now, and that there's a whole bunch of new patterns and colors for you to select from, I wanted to show you a little bit about what types of things, what these things look like when you make them, okay? So, of course, you have the transfer sheets. They come in the different patterns, or there's the new solid colors, which is great great for mixing and matching. And you can use those on the tote bags. So there's 2 sizes of tote bags. You can use them on the baby onesies, t-shirts, that type of thing. And also you can use it on the ceramic coasters. This is a ceramic coaster. Look how beautiful that is. They look very professional, and it is now embedded on the top of this coaster. So if this got dirty or something, you just take a damp cloth and wipe it off. And then this is on the square cork-backed coasters, and these are different shapes that I put on here so I can make my own custom home state coaster. So think about the possibilities. This is using those Cricut Infusible Ink pens where you transfer onto some laser copy paper and be able to put your image on there. You can color it in, and then you end up with your own custom coaster like that. And I wanted to make sure that you guys know that you can ask me any questions about Infusible Ink. I have a bunch of videos on YouTube, so be sure and look at those, showing you step by step how to make all of this stuff. Be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate that. And come over and join us in the Let's Learn Cricut Design Space Facebook group or the Cricut Maker with Debbie O'Neill Facebook group. And of course, you can follow me on Instagram and of course here on YouTube. All right. Happy crafting. Hope you guys are excited about this.